Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin faucets. And I'll be real with you. Don't expect to get rich. Faucets are more like a way to stack a little free Bitcoin over time. Step 1. Pick a trusted faucet site. Some of the most reliable ones right now are Free Bitcoin and Cointoply. These are still around and actually paying out. Step 2. Create an account with your email and Bitcoin wallet address. If you don't already have a wallet, you can grab one for free with something like Exodus or Trust Wallet. Step 3. Once you're signed up, you basically just do simple tasks. Things like solving captchas, spinning a wheel every hour, or watching ads. Each action gives you tiny amounts of Bitcoin called Satoshis. Step 4. Cash out. Faucets usually lets you withdraw once you hit a small minimum. Send it straight to your wallet and boom, free Bitcoin. Now, my advice, use faucets as a side hobby. They won't make you real money, but they're a safe way to learn how Bitcoin wallets and transactions work without risking your own cash. So yeah, sign up, do the simple tasks, withdraw to your wallet, and you're officially stacking sats for free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.